Here's what everyone gets wrong about venom.
This is the most venomous animal alive, the Inland Taipan. Some sources say one bite could kill 100 grown men. That number has no study behind it. It's been copied for 30 years. We don't copy numbers here, so here's one we can stand behind. Confirmed human kills? 0. Not almost 0, 0. 11 people bitten, 11 walked away.
Every most venomous list on the internet
Uses the same tool. LD50, the dose that kills half a test group. One number, one ranking, done. It's not wrong, it's just incomplete. Because lethality isn't one number, it's 3. Potency, how toxic it is. Delivery, how much actually gets in. And contact, how often this thing meets a human at all. Only one of them can reach you. This is an audit. Let's run them.
Here's the list the internet agrees on.
Cone snail, Inland Taipan. Blue-ringed octopus, the one the size of a golf ball. They rank them by LD50. Lower is deadlier. Honeybee barely moves the needle. King cobra, middling. Then it drops off a cliff. And here's where the lists get smug. They slap a number on each and rank them 1 to 10. Except those numbers were measured on different animals by different methods, decades apart. Some don't even survive an audit. The box jellyfish tops half these lists, but its published lethal doses disagree by more than 10-fold. That's not a ranking, that's a rumor. So it's out. It's like ranking sprinters when half were timed by a stopwatch, half by a sundial, and one is still running. But notice what every list skips. How many people has each one actually killed? Not once do they ask.
The list is dead.
So we do what it never did. That taipan they crowned, we're going to put it on trial. 3 pieces of evidence. 1 honest number at the end.
Evidence 1.
The Inland Taipan, the most potent land venom on Earth, and a confirmed body count of 0. It lives in the cracked clay of the outback, where almost nobody lives. It's shy. It would rather leave. The anti-venom works. On paper, it's the perfect weapon, the most loaded gun on the planet, and evolution pointed it at an empty desert. Good job, evolution.
Evidence 2.
Now meet the animal that actually kills the most people. It's not the taipan. On potency, it's not even close. It ranks down near the honeybee, and it kills tens of thousands of people every year. The saw-scaled viper. It doesn't live in an empty desert. It lives in the fields where millions farm by hand, after dark, with no anti-venom for miles. It's small. It's everywhere. It strikes first and asks questions never.
Evidence 3.
The variable no list mentions whether a cure exists and whether you can reach it in time. Same snake, same venom, 2 countries. One keeps anti-venom in every clinic. The other is a 4-hour drive on a dirt road, if the truck starts. The venom didn't change. The death rate did. A most venomous ranking can't see any of that. It's measuring the bullet. It was never measuring the gun, the aim, or the hospital.
The verdict.
The most venomous land animal on Earth. 0 confirmed kills. The animal that leads the body count, the saw-scaled viper, barely registers on the potency chart. Most venomous and most deadly are not the same animal, not the same number, not even the same chart. Lethality isn't one number, It's potency, times how much gets in, times how often it meets you, times whether there's a cure. Change any one of them, and the whole ranking collapses. The ledger doesn't lie. The headline does.
Here's why it matters.
Fear is a budget. Right now, your allocation, most of it on the animals with the best publicity, and almost none on the small brown snake in the wheat that tops the ledger. That's not a survival strategy. That's a PR problem. So next time you see the 10 most venomous animals, ask the one question that counts. Which number are they ranking? The one to respect isn't the strongest venom. It's the one standing where you are. Respect the data, not the headline. The comments are open. Tell me which number they used on you. I'll check the ledger. Next case, bite force. The strongest jaw on Earth? Nobody ever actually measured it.